today we're gonna be getting some of this old trim off of the truck, man. And like I said, man, I hope y'all had a good day today, man. I have had a good day. Now that I think about it, let me see if I had did something. Yep, I did. Anyway, it's okay, but to somebody else, man, it's really really slow. So I'm gonna hit y'all with that cold start, man. So hold on 1 second. Yes, sir. And what I'm gonna be doing today, I'm gonna be taking this off. I'm gonna take all this off. All this old molding, I'm about to be taking it off. And the reason that I'm doing that is because the look that I'm trying to go with is a look that, you know, I mean, don't get me wrong. When I get the truck painted, yes, I'm gonna put new moldings. That's it. But I'm not gonna go with the fender well moldings, the little chrome on the top. I'm not doing that. I want it to be the vision that I'm gonna go with this truck is if GMC would have made an SS version of it. And yeah, it's gonna be, I'm going the street truck route, man. So like I'm very happy. You know, like I said, I still get in this truck every day, and it makes me happy to get up in this mud, man. Like, if you get in something that you don't like, man, it is not for you. But I can't go on everybody else, man. So look, today y'all gonna ride with me, man. We're gonna go up into this parts place. We're gonna get the gun, get some other little stuff, because I know once this trim comes off, it's gonna be some old rubber sealant glue or whatever they put back in 1996 on this truck. And yeah, so yeah, hope you stay tuned, man, because we about to head over there real quick, man. I'm just letting the truck warm up real quick, man. Like I said in another video, man, I had bought me some drop hangers. Yeah, 2-inch drop hangers, man. And I'm hoping that it drops it 2 inches. I'm gonna get with somebody. I've never done nothing like this, man, so this is gonna be new to me. But like I said, man, we're gonna be cruising. The truck is dirty, and let the windows down. It feels good outside today, man. Like, it really feels good today. Throw this mug on for people be like, man, put your seatbelt, do this, do that. Yeah, alright, whatever. But like I said, man, I think I'm warmed up enough. I'll be headed to that to that parts place. I don't know if that's bottoming out of what, but I want that mud to look semi lowered in the back, but see what I'm saying? That mud right there, man. Friday. I was gonna get my son today, but it's all good. Yes, sir. My boy, he at work. See, this is why cats get killed. This is why cats get killed. This mug right here, boy. Yes, sir. I'm telling you. Let me stop playing, man, cause your boy happy, man. Slept for a little bit, got off at like 5 something this morning. 5. Yeah, shit, man. Yes, sir. Dixon, okay. Yes, sir. I can just imagine that mother have that LS motor in that bitch, man. Mother back there jamming, boy. That mother jamming in the mother Focus, boy. Ooh. Today, as you see, I got the little heat gun wire. I already took this chrome piece off because I'm gonna be, like I said, I'm taking all the trim, and I'm taking, I don't know, should I leave this up to let everybody know what it is? It's a SLE. It's not the SL, is it the SLT? I think the LT is the one that has the leather interior, but the SLE, I think that's the cloth. But yeah, I'm about to be taking all the moldings off. Should I keep the Sierra and the GMC? Y'all let me know in the comments. But I'm finna see. I had a discussion with my pops, man, and he was like, "Man, son, I leave the trim on there." I was like, "But Pop, when it's all said and done, you know, my vision is gonna come clean." And he was like, "Hey, it's your truck. You do what you want to do, but I think that the trim keeps it that OG." And you know, now that I look at it, once I probably wash the truck and stuff and get all that dirt from the stuff just being caked up in there all these years, I don't know. But y'all let me know what you would do. I'm taking it off. So, but the little SLE, y'all let me know. Take it off or leave it on. Let's see. I gotta take that off. Yeah. I give these mugs credit now. Whoever put these mugs on there, them mugs was on there. But I'm about to take the rest of this chrome stuff off. I will get back with you in a minute, because I would show, but man, it ain't nothing but about 1, 2, 3, 4. It ain't nothing but 5 screws, man. That's it. That's all it is. got a drill, taking the screws off. But like I said, I get back with you in a little bit. See, this is what I was saying. You got 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a guy had spotted out neighbor, but guy spotted out that, man, your fender's been kind of hit, and I was like, what? And now that he said that, you know, bumper is kind of bent. You know, that might be the next thing, to go ahead and get an all black bumper, because I think I'm just gonna go ahead and de-chrome the whole truck. But it kind of made me sad, because I bought the chrome, you know, chrome 50 cal antenna, and now I'm thinking about going all black. But let me know in the comments, should I, when I take this old off, should I go back and get the all new with probably the red GMC with the red 1500? I don't know. Y'all let me know, man. But I'm finna take some of these screws out. Y'all probably gonna be like, I want to see the screws come out or some crazy stuff, but last one, stubborn little mug. 4, that's the 5th one. But hold on 1 second, y'all. See, that's what it looked like. A good cleaning up, get all that dust, and it should be better. Hey, how you doing, Miss Bird? What's up with you, bro? Alrighty. Yeah. I'm gonna have to clean that up real good. Yeah, that motherfucker that. If I would have kept this up, would it start rusting this motherfucker? Let me know. 'Cause I don't know. But yeah, next thing, I'm finna take these old things off. Alright, y'all. Look, I got my gun. And yeah, I guess it has some instructions in it, but I ain't reading it. But look, I took this small piece off, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't think that I'm gonna put new pieces back on, because this thing is like full of dirt, dust, and I know for a fact moisture probably gets in it. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna put these back on the truck. So scratch all that other stuff, but yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen. But yeah, I'm finna work on this long piece right here, and I'm just gonna make my way all the way through. And the SLE, I think that's the only thing that I'm gonna keep on there. And once I get this finished, I'll probably get the drill and start, you know, getting this goo stuff off. But this stuff right here, I'm just gonna have to wash. This stuff right here, I'm just gonna have to wash this really good and around the fender wells, because yeah, it's been crazy. But like I said, this is how my Saturday is gonna go. Let me get back to getting some more of this stuff off, and then I will further let you know if the cycle, or you know, the task is easy or hard. So far it's really just time consuming, for real. it ain't even that bad, man. You know, so that is, you know, just put a little bit of time in it. You do whatever you want to, man. But let me sit y'all down, and I'm gonna get back with you in a little bit. Man, I ain't gonna lie to you. I think that it really does look a whole lot better once I get all that little stuff up. But what y'all think about it, man? I know, look, no, I gotta clean it, but let me know what you think, man. Let's see. I'm gonna take the Sierra, this GMC truck one off, and you see this one side. See, it's like it's doing too much. But once I get that stuff off, I think it's gonna look a whole lot sleeker. But let me get back into it, man. Gonna be dropping these mugs, and you'll be the first ones to, you know, get up on there. So, what's up with you, bro? Like I said, man, go ahead and hit that like, share, subscribe, and go ahead and turn on that, click the bell and turn on the post bell notifications, man, and you'll get these as soon as I drop them, man. So, yeah.